Welcome everyone to this comprehensive basic training on SAP PP Module. Whether you are a fresher, a functional consultant, or someone looking to switch into SAP, this video will give you a solid foundation of production planning in SAP. Today we will cover everything from the basics to core processes, master data, MRP, production orders, and best practices. SAP PP is one of the most important modules in SAP ERP because it connects sales demand with actual manufacturing. By the end of this training, you will understand how companies plan and control their production using SAP. So stay with me till the end. This is going to be a complete beginner friendly guide. Let's begin our journey into SAP production planning. In this training, we will follow a clear structured agenda. First, we will understand what SAP PP actually is and its importance. Then we will explore the role of PP within the full SAP system. We will deeply study master data, the foundation of PP. After that, we will cover key processes like material requirements planning, production orders, capacity planning, and shop floor execution. We will also look at reporting, benefits, common challenges, and best practices. This step-by-step approach will help you build strong conceptual clarity. Keep watching because every section builds upon the previous one. So we will start with the basic introduction of SAP PP. SAP PP stands for Production Planning. It is the module responsible for planning and controlling manufacturing process in an organization. In simple words, SAP PP helps companies decide what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce it. It takes input from sales orders and forecasts, then generates a proper production plan. PP works as a bridge between demand and supply. It ensures raw materials are available on time, machines are utilized efficiently, and finished goods are delivered as promised to customers. This makes SAP PP one of the most critical modules for SAP manufacturing industries. SAP PP does not work in isolation. It is tightly integrated with other SAP modules. It receives demand from sales and distribution (SD), gets materials from materials management (MM), sends costs to finance and controlling (FICO), and maintains quality with quality management. This integration is the real power of SAP. When a sales order is created in SD, it automatically triggers requirements in PP. PP then plans production and updates inventory and finance in real time. This seamless flow helps companies run their entire operations efficiently from one single system. The SAP PP module follows a systematic process flow. It starts with demand management, where we forecast and manage customer demand. Then comes material requirements planning (MRP), which calculates exact material and production needs. After MRP, we do production planning and detailed scheduling. Next is capacity planning to check if machines and labor can handle the load. Finally comes execution, creating production orders, shop floor activities, and completion of confirmations. All these processes together ensure smooth execution of production plans. Master data is the backbone of SAP PP. There are four critical master data elements. First is material master, which contains all informations about raw materials, semi-finished and finished goods. Second is bill of materials, BOM, which tells us what components are needed to make a product. Third is work center, which represents machines or production lines. And fourth is routing, which defines the sequence of operations to manufacture the product. Accurate master data is essential for successful planning. So these four are the main components of SAP PP Master. Let's discuss BOM, Bill of Materials. It is one of the most important master data elements in SAP PP. Think of it as a complete recipe that lists every single component, sub-assembly and the exact quantity required to manufacture one unit of finished product. BOM can be single level or multi-level. In multi-level BOMs, sub-assemblies themselves have their own BOMs, creating a complete product structure. SAP allows different types of BOMs such as engineering BOM, production BOM and costing BOM. A well-maintained BOM ensures accurate material planning, correct costing and prevents shortages or excess stock during production. In real life, even a small error in BOM can cause major production delays and increased costs. That's why maintaining accurate BOM is critical for any manufacturing company. MRP or material requirements planning is truly the heart of SAP PP module. It is a sophisticated calculation engine that automatically determines what materials and in what quantities are needed to fulfill the production plan. MRP takes into account current stock levels, open purchase orders, sales demand, forecasts, and bill of materials. Based on this, it generates planned orders for in-house productions and purchase requisitions for externally procured items. Running MRP regularly helps companies avoid stockout situations as well as excess inventory. In many organizations, MRP is run daily or weekly. Understanding how to read MRP results and take necessary actions is a key skill for every PP consultant and user. A production order are the actual working documents in SAP PP. Once MRP creates production planned orders, planners convert them into production orders. This is where theoretical planning turns into real manufacturing execution. A production order contains critical details such as the quantity to be produced, list of required components, sequence of operations, scheduled dates, and assigned work centers. During the production process, we perform goods issue of raw materials, operation confirmation by workers, and finally goods receipt of finished goods. Proper management of production orders directly impacts delivery performance, inventory accuracy, and production efficiency. This is one of the most frequently used transactions in day-to-day PP operations. Capacity planning ensures that your production resources are neither underutilized nor overloaded. In SAP PP, we compare the available capacity of each work center with the capacity required by production orders. If a machine or production line shows overload, planners can shift orders to other dates, add extra shifts, or outsource certain operations. SAP provides powerful tools like capacity leveling and CM01 reports for this purpose. Good capacity planning leads to better machine utilization, reduced lead times, lower overtime costs, and improved on-time delivery to customers. It is one of the most important aspects that separates good production planning from average production planning. So this is about the capacity planning overview. Shop floor is where all the planning is executed on actual factory floor. This is the real-time execution phase of SAP PP. Here we manage daily production activities, track progress of each production order, and record actual consumption of materials and times. Modern SAP systems allow shop floor workers to use tablets, mobile devices, or shop floor terminals to confirm operations quickly. This provides management with real-time visibility into production status, bottlenecks, and outputs. Effective shop floor control significantly improves productivity, reduces wastage, and helps in quick problem resolution. And it ensures better coordination between planning and the execution teams. Next, we have reporting and analytics. SAP PP offers strong reporting and analytics capabilities that help management monitor and improve production performance. You can generate reports for production order status, MRP results, capacity utilization, scrap analysis, and delivery performance. Popular transactions like COOIS, MD04, CM01, and MMBE are used daily by PP users. With SAP S/4HANA and Fury apps, you get beautiful real-time dashboards that make decision making much faster and accurate. Good analytics turn raw data into actionable insights. Companies that regularly review these reports can continuously optimize their production processes and achieve operational excellence. Implementing SAP PP brings numerous strategic and operational benefits to manufacturing organizations. It helps optimize production planning, significantly reduce excess inventory, improves resource utilization, and increases on-time delivery performance. Other major benefits include better cost control, accurate product costing, real-time visibility across supply chain, and improved coordination between different departments. Companies also achieve reduced lead times and higher customer satisfaction. Overall, a well implemented SAP PP system makes the entire organization more efficient, agile, and competitive in real market. While SAP PP is a powerful module, companies often face several challenges during implementation and usage. Common issues include inaccurate master data, poor MRP results, resistance from shop floor users, lack of proper training, and excessive customization. To overcome these, follow best practices such as maintaining clean and accurate master data, running MRP regularly, performing proper capacity planning, conducting thorough user training, and sticking to standard SAP processes as much as possible before going for heavy customization. Remember, strong foundation in master data and processes is the key to successful SAP PP implementation. And that brings us to the end of basic training on SAP PP module. We have covered the fundamentals, importance of master data, core processes like MRP, production orders, capacity planning, shop floor control, reporting, benefits, challenges, and best practices. I hope this video has given you strong conceptual clarity and confidence to explore SAP PP further. The best way to learn is to practice these concepts in a sandbox or IDE system regularly. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more SAP training videos. Feel free to drop your questions and doubts in the comments tab section. I will try to answer them. All the best for your SAP journey, and thank you once again. See you in the detailed next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.